ultimate lifestyle delivered. Amazing opportunity to own in one of the rarest and hottest communities in the heart of the remarkable city of Detroit. Just steps from Belle Isle and walking distance to downtown, the historic yet modern lofts of Rivertown have everything you're looking for. This ultra spacious, rare 4th floor, authentic bi-level loft offers 2 floors of super high ceilings, 2 master bedroom suites, artsy spiral staircase, classy newer kitchen, including 2 master baths, a spacious dining room, an in-unit laundry, an abundance of natural light, sliding glass doors, embracing a large private terrace. The fine amenities include a fitness center, dry sauna, outdoor swimming pool, outdoor hot tub, covered parking, clubhouse, package receiving, courtyard, gated community with guest parking. Make your lifestyle matter. Check it out today.